Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 237 or Prolonging Performance of Duties and Powers. Under Article 237, prolonging performance of duties and powers is committed by any public officer who shall continue to exercise the duties and powers of his office, employment, or commission beyond the period provided by law, regulation, or special provisions applicable to the case. May tatlong elements itong crime na ito. First, that the offender is holding a public office. Second, that the period allowed by law for him to exercise such function and duties has already expired. Offender is either separated, suspended, declared overage, or retired, or na-dismiss na siya. Third, that the offender continues to exercise such function and duties. Under the Civil Service Rules, ang mandatory retirement age ay 65. So kung 65 ka na, retired ka na. Dapat hindi ka na nagfa-function doon sa office mo. Otherwise, liable ka sa article na ito. Kung uniform personnel ka naman, 56 ang compulsory retirement age. So at the age of 56, wala ka na dapat sa serbisyo. Kung yung appointment mo naman ay temporary, pag nag-expire na yung period, hindi ka na allowed gawin yung function na yon. Kung ang appointment mo naman ay coterminous sa appointing authority, kung wala na yung appointing authority, dapat wala ka na rin. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.